Hello everybody, welcome back to On to Step. I hope you all are doing great. So in today's episode, I'm gonna guide you through the tutorial video of how to make OpenAI write an essay. So if you don't know how to make an OpenAI to write an essay, then this video is for you. So to get started, first of all, open official website of OpenAI or ChatGPT, and at the message box you can see send message option. Right there, or type down write an essay on whatever topic you would like to see or get. After you do that, press the enter or send it. Once you do that, you can see the results will automatically regenerate, and that's how easily you can make OpenAI write an essay. I hope this video is helpful and informative for you. If yes, please do not forget to subscribe to our channel and also press the notification bell for more updates. I'll see you again in next video. Goodbye till then.